Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ray Cray Farms and Cray Travels. When we're not farming or working, we're out and about chasing adventures, taking in views, and making every moment count. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our goat project. It's hard to say when the project started exactly because, as you may know or not, it's not uncommon to have a few goats in Zimbabwe, mostly for consumption. In your rural areas or at your farm, most people do have goats. So we always had goats on the farm, and most of them were Mashona goats. These Mashona goats are known for their hardiness, which makes them an adaptable breed, and it also makes them quite resistant to diseases. Mashona goats are indigenous to Zimbabwe, and they are found mainly in Manicaland, Mashonaland, Mashingo, and some parts of Midlands. These goats come in various sizes and colors, including black, white, brown, and sometimes a combination of these colors. They have short ears that are held horizontally, and it is common for them to have wattles hanging under their necks. The Mashona goats are normally left to fend for themselves. We, however, wanted to keep and breed goats as a business. So because of this, we wanted to introduce different genetics that could help us improve the meat production. We wanted to improve the adaptability as well as enhance the physical traits of the goats. We then introduced a pure Boer buck as well as the pure red Kalahari buck to the head. The Boer buck we imported from South Africa along with a few females. And the red Kalahari buck we purchased from Rico Farms here in Zimbabwe. The red Kalahari is known for its hardiness, while the Boer buck is famous for its rapid growth and muscular build. They brought slightly different traits to our herd, but both breeds have unique advantages. The red Kalahari goats are highly adaptable. They are known for their hardiness and ability to survive in tough conditions. They are excellent mothers and they are known to protect their kids well. On the other hand, Boer goats are known for their fast growth, which makes them an ideal choice for meat production. They produce high quality tender meat They are larger in size compared to many other breeds, which again contributes to the higher meat yields. They are generally a calm and easy to manage breed. Having had experience with both breeds, the Boer as well as the Kalahari, we have lessons from this experience. And based on this, we also have an opinion in terms of which breed works best for us. We will share our learnings in a separate video. The breeds are different and they bring different things. But what we know is that by introducing these two bucks into our herd, we were able to improve our goat size, we were able to improve our genetic diversity, the consistency in the herd. We have seen improved health and resilience against diseases. Now let's move on to the feeding of the goats. This is a crucial part of goat farming, and we need to make sure that we get a balanced diet in order to keep our goats healthy and productive. In addition to the feeding, it's important to have the right structures. Proper fencing is essential to keep the goats safe and secure. We've put in a lot of effort into making sure that our paddocks are well maintained and suitable for goats, but this is an ongoing process. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.